Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this?
Welcome to the Napa Valley Wine Train, nestled in beautiful Napa Valley, California. Hope you enjoy the ride. All aboard! For over 25 years, guests from all over the world have been experiencing history in the stunning setting of Napa Valley. I'm going to share a little bit about this historic Napa Valley rail line and antique Pullman rail cars and discover one of the top things to do in Napa Valley. Travel back to an elegant time. These expertly refurbished 1915 through 1917 Pullman cars create an atmosphere ideal for relaxation. Experience two different types of rail cars, the 1915 or 1917 Pullman dining cars and the 1915 Pullman lounge cars. Dine in elevated splendor. The 1952 Pullman Dome railcar provides the most private dining experience, as only guests with reserved seating are allowed in the dining area of this two-story car.
This table here is reserved for you, just so you are aware we are moving north, so these are the forward-facing seats, okay?
It includes a multiple-course gourmet meal, welcome aboard glass of sparkling wine, and a 3-hour journey aboard the vintage train. This top dining establishment is housed in a museum-quality antique train that runs on 25 miles of track in the heart of Napa Valley. The train itself has 2 engines, 3 kitchens on board, and a collection of early 20th century Pullman rail cars faithfully restored with Honduran mahogany panels, brass accents, etched glass partitions, and plush armchairs that evoke the spirit of luxury rail travel in the early 1900s. Take a trip on this luxurious Americana past and experience an unparalleled memory-making journey. The Chardonnay Sauvignon Blanc lounge car is one of the 1915 Pullmans. This one was one of the 4 cars on the first wine train that ran through Napa Valley on September 16, 1989. The red glass windows in this car are original, dating back to 1915. This car has an observation deck for guests to enjoy the beautiful Napa Valley weather. The Vista Dome. You can enjoy panoramic views of Napa Valley through the curved glass windows that run the length of the car. The Vista Dome car is an elevated observation-style dining car, expertly refurbished. The Vista Dome offers unique menus for this dining option, with all the selections prepared in the kitchen located on the lower level of this car. And that ends our short story on Napa Valley's wine train. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the internet.
If you'd like to learn more about these important concepts or any other issues that we've covered on today's show, log on to www.morganrees.com. That's morganrees.com. Thanks for listening.